Here's the raw truth. Transformation happens in the daily reps, not the inspirational spielets. Get real, most personal. Development advice is fluff. You don't need more motivation. You need a battle-tested system. Here's what actually works. First, conduct a ruthless self-audit. What's working? What's broken? Where are you lying to yourself? Growth starts with uncomfortable truth. No sugarcoating. Now install keystone habits, the kind that create domino effects. A morning routine that primes your day. Daily skill building, even 20 minutes. Weekly reflection to course correct. Rewire your mental operating system. Swap I can't for I'm learning. Trade I have to for I get to replace. This is happening to me with this is happening for me. Become a learning machine. Read books that hurt your brain. Listen to podcasts that challenge your worldview. Follow people who make you feel behind. This is how you stay ahead. Your environment is programming you. Right now, audit your inner circle. Are they raising your standards or keeping you comfortable? Growth is contagious. Choose your carriers wisely. Execution beats intention. Every time that project you're overthinking started ugly, that conversation you're avoiding, have it messy. Action builds confidence, not the other way around. Measure what matters. Track your sleep, finances, and skill development. Data doesn't care about your excuses. What gets measured gets mastered. Seek discomfort deliberately. Growth lives where comfort ends. Say yes to painful feedback, unfamiliar challenges. Brutal self-honesty. Rest is strategic, not weakness. Schedule recovery like you schedule work. Your brain consolidates gains during downtime, not grind time. Monthly tune-ups are non-negotiable. Ask what's working, what's failing, what needs to change. Start now, not when you feel ready. Now, your future self is watching. What will they see you do today?